And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Much colder air is coming in now. We're down into the low 20s from Kentland up to Morocco, mid-20s, Remington down to 27 at the Purdue Airport and 28 at Logansport. So any slush, water left on roadways, any slushy snow left will freeze up tonight, especially the roads that aren't treated. The winds are strong too. They're sustained as high as 26 miles an hour. But some of these gusts are exceeding 35 right now. Recent gusts to 33 at the Purdue Airport and 29 at Pine Village. So your wind chills are dropping to the single digits in our northwestern counties, and single digit wind chills will quickly overspread the area over the next several hours, and then they drop well below zero overnight. There are your snow showers and snow squalls that kind of peaked in coverage and intensity late afternoon to very early this evening, but they are zipping out of here. They've come to an end. Now we'll get some clearing skies and the Arctic air will punch in. But the thing is, it's a brief bout of Arctic air, because as quickly as the Arctic air comes in behind the front stalls, and it's actually going to start to move back north as a warm front. At the same time, this little wave will ride down the front, and now appears our potential of getting a little bit more snow is increasing for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. But it's single digits tonight with a clearing sky. A lot of wind initially through about midnight, then the winds slowly back off a little bit. These initial gusts will be 32 to 45, but even later on tonight, we're still going to have gusts more than 25 miles an hour. So with lows at 2 to 10, wind chills in the morning, 14 below to 5 below zero. So with this brief bout of Arctic air, we have that little bit of 1 inch or less of snow generally noon to about 7 p.m. tomorrow, but as quickly as that happens, it thaws and it warms up, and we get some rain for the weekend and early next week, and then perhaps a bout of some snow mid to late next week before we see a more sustained warming trend towards Christmas. 19 the high tomorrow, sun initially, then we cloud up rapidly and some snow coming in. Winds out of the west-southwest, mid-teens to low 20s for highs, and even during the afternoon, your wind chills are still going to be running in the single digits. But then we skyrocket to 35 to 41 on Friday with partly cloudy skies, upper teens in the morning, 36 for a high at Monticello, 37 Fowler, will be around 40 at Frankfort. So in terms of that snow tomorrow, latest data suggests maybe only a trace in the far north, but the rest of the area generally that 1 inch or less of accumulation. This snow will stick easily. It's going to be powdery and dry, and it'll slicken up roadways. Again, this is pretty much afternoon and before 7 p.m. tomorrow. So let's track it. Let's watch the clock here on Futurecast. Clear skies tonight, sunshine tomorrow morning. Watch the clouds rapidly increase. This is 12:30 tomorrow, and finally tomorrow afternoon, there's some of your snow around accumulating in the area. That's 3:30, and then finally towards 7 p.m. it begins to pull away, and then we warm up on Friday, get the thaw in here, and get the rain in here by Saturday. So it looks like a wave of rain Saturday night, Sunday morning, another wave of rain on Monday, then it gets colder, and this will be a system to watch. Clipper here, system here may merge, and this could bring some snowfall that has the potential to accumulate by the middle to latter parts of next week. But it's a mile of 50 Sunday, 48 on Monday. Then it gets a little colder. We'll watch for some of that snow next week, and then a more sustained warming trend getting towards Christmas.